clap our hands to each other. Right, how about group 3? Anyone from the group 3? Group 3. Do you think your arrangement is correct?
I think Mom yes.
Alright, are you confident that you are correct? A little bit. Do you have keywords?
Yes, Mom. First is
Claro, explico.
the game of the Sa iyang email address or establish ang late pagkahuman, then kung isa siya or asa siya nagpuyo, then sugan siya o blur or so muli na ito natin ano siya ay so muna ang first paragraph niya, ma'am, then iba niya ay ang previous experience nagpun na naabot siya sa iyang mga prior job, and then siya yung mga
It has,
passion
it is stated there, the passion.
experience na, and then pagka last na ng vlog na supay-supay mo po na nilang company culture at develop mga trainings kung emotion niya sa award mo din sa last episode.
Alright, let us clap our hands to sila po kayo. Do you find it easy to continue since the way it is cut?
Yes, ma'am.
Just like this and to develop. No? Claro ra. Alright, let us go to the group 2 output. Sana man dahil ito ang okay, group 2. Where's the group 2? Sige, lahig na po daw. Ako kami na. Brent, are you confident that you have arranged it right?
Yes, ma'am.
How many percent?
100%.
100%. Wow, 101% confidence. Sige. Why do you say so that you are correct?
Because as you can see in the first or
First three.
yes, first year, we can see the name of the applicant and where he or she lives, and the employer the applicant is trying to reach out to apply for a job. Then in the second strip is strip. The applicant say giingon niya kung sa job niya iyang gustong kuhaan or sa employer. Then dahil sa third strip, tagan niya ang employer o small background about siyang sarili, kung asa siya nag-eskwela or mga inanak pa na. Then sa fourth strip, giingon niya sa iyang strengths na mabuting para ang job or sa company. Then the last step is of course ang iyang final or conclusion sa consulate.
Alright, let us clap our hands for Brent as representative of the group 2. Alright, group 2 got already 5, then add 5, a total of 10 points. Alright, what is our lesson for today?
Application letter, ma'am.
Kindly say writing what?
Writing an application letter.
Okay, again, what is our lesson for today?
Writing an application letter.
Do you think this is relevant for you in the
Yes,
future?
ma'am.
Very relevant. When I say relevant, what is that?
Related sa inyo, ma'am.
It starts with the letter I.
Important.
Okay, relevant is important. Another word is starts with the letter S.
Spice. Start.
Huh? Relevant, important. Ano po yung letter S? Ano po? Kung ano, meaning sa relevant, important, o letter S. And again, the next letter is I. C. The next letter is G. Diba? Alright. So, the objectives. Nabutang sa slides ang objectives. Alright, the objective for this lesson is, can you read, ha? Identify. Can you read, everyone? Identify.
Identify the unique features of and requirements in composing professional correspondence.
Specifically, application for
employment.
Number 2.
Value the importance of making application letter.
And the third one. Okay, later part of our discussion, you are going to compose an application letter by yourself. Alright. Alright. In writing an application letter, kindly read the definition of an application letter. Everyone?
An application letter, also known as cover letter, is a document that provides additional information about the job applicant. An application letter is sent to the employer together with the resume as an attachment.
Alright. An application letter, in other terms, it is called cover letter. In the European countries, just like US, Canada, Australia, ang tawag nila sa application letter is cover letter. Have you gone to upwork.com? If you are techno-savvy or very good in technology, you go to upwork.com. There you can have your sideline or part-time job. Then you're going to submit a cover letter. Then tawagan mo sa employer, pwede mo magtrabaho 2 hours. Depende sa inyong time. Then tagaan mo ko sa try daw mo. Mga na, dollars man. Dollars. Kaya mo, pasok pag sa internet. Upwork. Try lang mo kayo. May mga kwan dito, mga i-post na mga jobs. Try lang. Kaya nang sayon lang, pwede ka na mag-virtual assistant. Wala na call center.